Mission. The Isabela State University is committed to develop globally competitive human, technological resources and services through quality instruction, innovative research, responsive community engagement, and viable resource management programs for inclusive growth and sustainable development. The mission of the Isabela State University are committed to develop the learning of the students by developing the teaching strategy or the technologies were used in teaching, giving their best to the students just for them to learn. Education for future success are the goal of the Isabela State University. It aims to produce aspiring successful individuals in different courses by providing quality education for all with the use of the adequate resources. The institution is looking forward for more innovations as it continues to prosper. To conclude, this university would be great contributor in enhancing students' knowledge and abilities for us to improve the functioning of the communities in which we will live and work in the near future.